Hey guys, so today's first day. As always, I'm sharing my trades with you. So today I took a really clean winner. Actually, you can see right here. So just doing a quick trade breakdown. Let's basically begin with the daily chart as always. Maybe as you also should know, today is first day and we have NFP week. So tomorrow at 8:30 we have non-farm employment change. Today we had high impact news at 8:30, so unemployment claims. Actually, most of the time, the first day, so the day before NFP, is one of the most difficult trading days. I was only trading paper today, but actually was really a clean day today. So that's the daily chart. You can see we took out daily buy sell liquidity, and from there on, basically, yeah, trading lower, still stuck within the high time frame range in here. So yeah, still not really clean trading conditions, but the lower time frame was actually quite clean. So what we have right here is really clean lows down here, London lows. We came down with New York open kill zone. We have also basically our New York open kill zone says liquidity down here. We scrapped that, we scrapped London lows, and with the 9:30 candle we opened up and traded higher, and from there on, I was basically looking at New York open kill zone buy sell liquidity, also London highs, eventually even Asia highs, but because we already scrapped daily liquidity, to me that's not really a target in that case. To me that's a protected high, also a immediate term high in that case, because we have a higher high, lower high to the left, and eventually will form right here the third lower high to the right. So therefore that's a immediate term high. I don't expect that we will eventually take that out, or eventually will, but with more high resistance, so way more unlikely. Also formed SMT with the London highs, and from there and also sold off with a market maker sell. We took out external sales liquidity, but with taking a win, I'm done trading. And before we drop low to 1 minute chart, I want to show you regular trading hours. So really important today. Actually, finally, once again, we had a actually quite clear direction. So we had a new open range gap of 132 handles, 3 downside, so a bearish new open range gap, and therefore if we stay bearish, we need to see that we eventually will trade lower basically. What we have right here, I mean, I could also take or mark out the quadrants right here, but in that case it's a bit too much, or maybe I have to delete some older ones, but because we were respecting those quadrants really well, I kept those on my chart, and I'm more looking to them than today's, because as you see right here, we are still respecting the CE levels, also with the candles right here. So that's the reason why I still keep them on my chart, because they are still telling you the story basically in that case. But because we have a really aggressive opening, I already expected that we eventually will completely close in the new open range gap, and we were basically disrespecting today's new open range gap quadrants. So what that basically means is that we maybe I will mark it out on the 1 minute chart. So yeah, right here you can see the lower quadrant, right here is consequent encroachment, and the upper quadrant. So we were respecting the upper quadrant, but really had a low high resistance and more a retracement to the downside, not a aggressive direction move. Also displaced through CE, as you can see right here, and also created a fair gap. So that's indicating really strong bullishness. And therefore I was expecting that we would trade through the new open range gap, and therefore if we trade through it, I expect a delivery which will basically continue to the upside, and that's why I looked for longs as well on the regular trading hours chart. So back to NQ, obviously you have always to combine those directions also with the high time frame chart. As you see right here, we were also in bullish conditions, so so we are respecting the high time frame gap right here, so we are still within the bullish gap, not closing below it or anything, so still a bullish higher time frame in that case. And let's drop now to a 1 minute chart. So what I was looking at is basically we had already the rally to the upside with the opening. There's nothing we can basically trade in here. Obviously, if you are already in before the opening, that's good for you. The market maker buying model is in play down here, but I don't trade before the opening. I wait for the 10 AM macro, and that's why basically I had the 5-minute condition right here. So if we respect the 5-minute gap right here, then I'm looking for longs. No, sorry guys, it's one right here. So if we respect the 5-minute gap right here, so that's our condition, then I'm willing to take longs. If we disrespect it, then we would eventually trade lower, but then to me there's not really a draw for price, because we have already taken out every session liquidity. So therefore I expected the 5-minute gap to hold. We did that. We get a really clean reaction from it. We also had displacement. That's what we want to see. Also a low, lower low, higher high. So therefore we have also a bullish breaker right here, combined with a imbalance. That's our unicorn model actually. So I entered right here, 3 contracts on my paper trading account. So 10,000 US dollar, just simulating a real money account in that case. And I basically took my 3 partials. So one right here, after we took out the New York open kill zone by liquidity. We had really high resistance in here, because as you see, the higher time frame gap right here, so the smaller one right here, that's today's higher time frame gap, and therefore as you can see we have high resistance in here because we still respect the higher time frame gap. That's like a speed bump, but then we eventually will draw to the New York open kill zone by liquidity, because we're really in advance of it, and it's just holding price back, but only just like a speed bump. Then I took my second partial right here after we got nice still nice displacement higher, and definitely I could have just only aimed for the London buy liquidity, but I kind of expected that we would eventually just tap into the high time frame gap right here as well. Eventually that would have been my initial target, but I'm fine with getting stopped right here. So that's my 3 partials right here, as you see. And really clean trade. So that's exactly what we want to take after we take a win. We are done trading. Definitely a clear or clean market maker sell model, but that's not what we need to chase in that case. I'm done trading. Kind of a bit ironic that we have a really clean trading day and also a really clean win, which is only on paper. And but I think that's just what trading is about. So you have really to stick to it no matter what, and eventually I will take those trades. I don't know whether if it's on a funded account or a real money account. Someday definitely I will get my payout. I know it. So there will become the time. Definitely I will get there. No, not become the time. There will come the time. So sorry guys. But I think that's basically it. So really clean trade. I don't know if I have time to trade tomorrow. We have to see. Still can't trade my live funded account. Still some technical issues. I'm already in touch with my prop firm. I don't know. But it's hopefully getting better price action on the daily chart as well. That's basically it. So safe trading and see you soon.